today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Elementor. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just getting started, mastering this skill will help you ensure your images look perfect on all devices, enhancing the user experience and the overall aesthetic of your website. To begin, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the page that contains the image you want to resize. Once you're there, click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will open the Elementor editor, providing you with the tools to modify your page content easily. Next, find the image widget on the page. Simply hover over the image, and you'll notice a blue outline appear with an icon that looks like 6 dots. Click on this control handle to open the image's settings panel on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see several tabs like Content, Style, and Advanced. Focus on the Content tab, where you'll find the option to upload or select an image from your media library if you haven't done so already. Once your image is selected, it will appear within the widget on the page. Now, shift your attention to the Style tab in the panel. This is where the magic of resizing happens. You'll find a section labeled Image Size. It's in this section that you can choose from various predefined sizes, such as thumbnail, medium, large, or full, allowing you to quickly find a size that resembles your desired outcome. However, if these presets don't meet your needs, go ahead and choose Custom, which gives you the flexibility to define the exact dimensions you have in mind. After selecting Custom, enter the width and height values for your image, keeping in mind the aspect ratio to prevent the image from looking stretched or squished. If retaining the original proportions is important, be sure to adjust these values proportionally. Some platforms offer a Maintain Aspect Ratio button to simplify this process, so it's worth checking if that's available to avoid any manual calculations. Once you've set the size, take a moment to review the image on different screen sizes. You can do this by switching between the desktop, tablet, and mobile views in Elementor. Adjust the custom size settings as needed for each device, ensuring your image displays beautifully, whether viewed on a widescreen monitor or a smartphone. When you're satisfied with how your image looks across all devices, don't forget to save your changes. Click the green Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel to ensure your resized image is live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully resized an image using Elementor, creating a visually appealing experience for your website visitors. Remember, consistently sized images contribute significantly to the professional look and feel of your site, setting you up for success in the digital world. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!